Hi there, students. A barrister or a barista? A barrister or a barista? Okay, a barrister is a type of lawyer. A barrister normally talks on people's behalf in court, whereas a barista is the person who makes your coffee in a coffee bar. Okay, the person who makes coffee, a barista preparing coffee, whereas a barrister is somebody who speaks and argues in courts of law. Okay, so a barrister is normally the person who specializes in working in the courtroom. He specializes in, or she specializes in litigation. They argue cases in court. This is contrasted with a solicitor who does other types of legal work, transactions, business contracts, things like that. But the barrister normally is the person who does litigation and works in the court. The barista, on the other hand, is the person who makes coffee. And to tell you the truth, to be a good barista is not an easy thing. I think you need quite a lot of practice or training to become a good barista. It's very easy to make a bad cup of coffee. It's not easy to make a good cup of coffee. And then the barrister. So he had practiced as a barrister for many years. She was a Queen's Counsel, a QC, which is a senior barrister. Okay, so the barrister spoke in court on my behalf. I asked the barista to make me 2 cups of coffee, one a cappuccino and the other an espresso. Okay, so I think these are just 2 different professions, but notice the difference is where the stress is. A barrister is the lawyer, but a barista is the person who makes coffee. So barrister or barista, and this is why English really should have accents. If there were accents in English, it would make pronunciation a lot easier. Okay, so the barrister, formality, 5 informality, use anywhere. And as to origin, well, this comes from the word bar. And bar is a term for a group of lawyers, a member of the bar. So he's a member of the bar. He's a member of the legal profession. And then a barista, again from the word bar, but a different meaning, as in a barman, as in where you get drinks. Okay, so a barrister defends you in court, whereas your barista makes you a delicious cup of coffee. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Barrister, barista.